The master's degree in clinical and experimental biology at the University of Foggia offers an advanced interdisciplinary education for students interested in biomedical research and the biological mechanisms underlying human diseases. The program combines strong theoretical foundations with hands-on laboratory experience, preparing graduates to address the scientific and technological challenges of modern biomedical science. The curriculum integrates key disciplines such as molecular biology, biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, bioinformatics, and molecular pathology. Through this multidisciplinary approach, students develop a comprehensive understanding of the molecular and cellular processes involved in human health and disease, while gaining practical experience with modern experimental techniques used in biomedical laboratories. The program is structured over 2 years. During the first year, students attend core courses that provide solid scientific foundations and introduce advanced research methodologies. In the second year, students can choose between specialized curricula that allow them to focus on specific areas of biomedical research and further develop their scientific interests. Teaching combines traditional lectures with innovative learning methods, including problem-based learning and team-based learning. These approaches encourage active participation, critical thinking, and teamwork, helping students develop both scientific knowledge and transferable professional skills. Graduates acquire advanced competencies in experimental research, data analysis, bioinformatics, and scientific communication. The program prepares students for careers in academic and biomedical research, clinical and diagnostic laboratories, and the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries, as well as for admission to international PhD programs.